Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So you asked for some more paint mixing videos. So we're gonna do some reds and pinks today. So to start off with, this is just a primary red. And also a suggestion that you guys had was to put it on a canvas or something so we can see the difference in color. Okay, so that's just the basic red. It's kind of pinkish. Now, in order to make maroon, I used to actually think that you would add some black to the red, but I found that that was not the case. We're gonna add just a tiny bit of blue. And everything just a little bit at a time. You can always add more, you can't take it away. So at this stage, we have actually a burgundy, and that was super easy. So basically just red with a tiny bit of the blue. So now we can see that color there. All right, now we're going to go for maroon, which tends to be slightly more purple. So we're going to add just a little more blue. Don't need a lot. I didn't have a lot of red in here in the first place. Maybe just a dash more. We're definitely not doing equal parts red and blue though. Okay, so this is still far more red than the blue. So this now gives you that more purpley red. It can still qualify as red, but it's more purpley, and that's more of a maroon. The burgundy tends to be a little more on the brown side. All right, so everyone knows that red and blue make purple, right? So let's add some more blue. And then at this stage we have purple, okay? So this is just kind of your average purple. It's definitely dark. It's not on the light side here, because we're just dealing with these two colors, and whatever they make is what they're gonna make. So now we're gonna add even more blue. So now our ratio is definitely more blue than red. And what we're going for at this stage is a violet purple, which is more on the blue side. So there we have it. This is still purple, but it's definitely more blue. Let's go ahead and put that there. Trying to kind of spread these out so you can see them. All right, now we're gonna add some white. Now, unless I'm making literally one of these colors, I generally buy the exact color, because with purples especially, it can be really hard to get the color that you want. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add some white to do basically the lighter versions of these. We're gonna go in reverse. All right, so this is with white, and I'm gonna put it next to the color. So now we're gonna add a little bit more red. And we're just gonna add the red back a little bit at a time. I need just, I think, a smidge more. Oh, okay, that was too much. Oh no. All right, I might have just skipped a color here. Yep, sorry about that, guys. I did too much. So this one's more along these lines. Oh no, actually I still think that's that one. Yeah, that's still that one. Okay, I didn't do too much red. So we'll do a little more red. And this is just the lighter version. I think I'm gonna add even a little tiny bit more white here. Make it a little more obvious. So we're going for now a light, basically like a lighter maroon color. Okay, so there we go on that. Let's go more red so that we're back to having more red than blue in here. All right, and this is going to be the lighter version basically of approximately this. See what happens if we go a little more red. We're definitely not getting back to this because we do have blue in here. Okay, so that's with a little more red. Okay, so it's just the lighter versions with the white. Let's go ahead and add even a little more white to see what we can get with this. So now we're getting more into the kind of pastel-y kind of look. But if you do want the like really, really, really bold purples, magentas, etc., I do recommend buying that specific color and not trying to mix your own. But I use this when I'm going for a color like either this one or this one. Those two I think come out beautifully. And that's generally maybe the color I'm going for. So there you have it with reds. Now if you didn't have the blues in there, obviously you can mix the different shades of pinks. But this is the mixing different reds and purples in this specific video. So there you go. I hope that was helpful, guys. And I hope that this helped more to really give you that comparison. Let me know if you guys want me to continue these videos. Also, what other colors you would like me to see made. So I did like turquoises and greens, and now I did some purples. So I can do maybe some oranges or something like that. Or, I don't know, maybe funkier colors. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.